Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna find out if the iPad Air right here can be charged with the Apple Watch charger right here. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna plug it in right here. So I have my charging brick right there and the charger to the charging brick, and let's go ahead and plug it in like that, and let's just run this across the back and see if it will charge at any time. So no, it's not charging guys. It will not charge, and I believe I know why. So I'm just going to do some research now and see if it actually supports wireless charging at all. Alright guys, so we're just going to open up our browser. So let's go to Google Chrome and just do a bit of research. So is the iPad Air wireless charge? So let's see. So the answer is no right away. So as you can see on screen guys, let me zoom in for you guys. So as you can see on screen, it says no model of the iPad supports wireless charging. iPad can only be charged via wire lightning port. So I'm guessing that's why it didn't work at all, because in my previous video when I did like the test on the Apple Watch, it works on the Apple Watch because it's made for the Apple Watch and that supports wireless charging. It also works a bit on the earpods because that supports wireless charging, but it doesn't work exactly. It would just charge for a second and then turn off right away. I don't know why, but MagSafe would be really nice on an iPad. A lot of people are saying that they won't like it on an iPad. I don't know why, but I think it would be really nice, because if you look at this charger right here guys, this charger to me is like a mini version of the MagSafe. So this is basically a MagSafe for the iPad Watch because it works really good. I never heard anybody complain that this get damaged or it's not working anymore. I have this for the last 2 years or so and it works really good up until this day. So I believe Apple should also incorporate the MagSafe in the iPad. Let me know in the comment section, do you agree that Apple should add MagSafe to this thing right here? It could be the same size, it could be even bigger, but I don't know. But either that or they could add like wireless charging, so you could put your phone on the back of this and it charge, or put your watch on the back of this and it charge. Either way, I believe that Apple should definitely think about doing that. But that's pretty much it for this video guys. I was just trying out something to see if it works, and clearly it didn't because it's not a wireless charger. It doesn't support wireless charger, I mean. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Also guys, check this video out where I use this charger right here to charge my iPhone 12 and see if it works. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.